Ever wonder how people catch those viral meme coins before they blow up to 100x? This guide walks you through my CryptoView meme and altcoin scanner, designed to help you uncover trending low-cap meme coins with early traction and 100x potential. With powerful filters, scoring insights, and real-time data, it's a great starting point for spotting the next big thing before it hits your feed. But remember, this tool is meant to guide your research, not replace it. A low score doesn't always mean a coin is safe, and a high score doesn't guarantee moonshots. Step 1. Go to my CryptoView meme and altcoin scanner via the link in this video description. Step 2. Select Solana to filter only Solana meme coins. Step 3. Select 50 or 100 to display more search results. Step 4. Select Syxtium or 180ium to show latest meme coins with potential of 100x. Step 5. Select 0 min score or higher min score to display meme coin with lower score or higher score. Step 6. Click the Auto button if you don't need real-time updates of the next potential 100x. Step 7. Click the star icon to save your favorite meme coin on current session. Sign up for more crypto tools and educational crypto topics at mycryptoview.com and subscribe to our channel.